Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Brazil together. This is Sao Silvestre from the Cerrado Mineiro region. The variety is red catuai and the process is aerobic fermentation. For more details, please visit our webshop. For this coffee from Brazil, we recommend this recipe. You need 300 grams of third wave water at 94 degrees Celsius in your kettle. Prepare 20 grams of coffee and grind on click 27 of your Comandante. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms your V60. Now add the ground coffee and shake the filter for an even extraction. Alright, first pour. 50 grams of water over 7 seconds, circular pouring for the blooming phase to get all the coffee wet and to let the CO2 escape. After 30 seconds, the second pour. 100 grams over 15 seconds in soft circular pouring to release all the fruity and sweet flavors. After 1 minute and 10 seconds, we start the third and last pour of 150 grams over 15 seconds in active circular pouring. We swirl at 1 minute and 35 seconds for an even extraction. The total brew time of this coffee is 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Enjoy the flavors of red apple, grape, dried plums and marzipan in your cups.